make food videos of the famous food places in Mysore.
As you all know, Mysore is famous tourist place in Karnataka, and it's also famous for food. And
I actually need to eat. So because of this reason, I thought I'll take you guys to the food tour in Mysore. Okay, and then I'll be going for few places today in Mysore.
And then in my next videos, I'll be covering few more places. Check out the complete video and suggest any other places that I can visit.
Please put it in your comments. I'll be definitely going those places. Subscribe to my channel for more travel and food related videos. So let's go today and try the famous food places in Mysore. Okay, let's now try a different chat center in Mysore. This is Pataka, one of the famous chat center in Mysore, where you can get North Indian, South Indian, both the kind of the chats, and it's usually crowded throughout the year. And also, you'll get the parcel here. Come, let's check out the chats.
Pataka opens at 8 in the morning and closes by 10 at night. This place is beautifully decorated and has a lot of food varieties to offer. My love for Golgappa is irreplaceable, and so I decided to start from here. They maintain good hygiene and are customer friendly. Going through the menu of Pataka, I was overwhelmed and confused. Starting from simple Golgappa and samosas to a different form of chaats that I've never heard of was something that excited me. Of all the items I have tried so far, few of the items that always drags me back to Pataka are samosa chole, raj kachori, tokri chaat, dahi puri, and then this Pataka customized rasgulla chaat, which has become my recent favorite. You can even try out the famous vada pav, chole bhatura and different parathas. They also serve variety of sandwiches here. Prices of all these items are very reasonable, and I bet you won't stop after eating an item of this huge menu. This place is located at Valmiki Road, Vantikoppam, and you can easily find it on the Google map with the name Pataka Manas. They do have delivery services on Swiggy and Zomato. This place has a different sweets as well, which you can try out. My personal favorite is Rabdi, Jalebi, Matka Gullam, and I will recommend you all to try those. Diagonally opposite to Pataka Chats, you have this ice cream named Corner House, which serves some delicious varieties of ice cream.
Next place we are going, it's my personal favorite, and also this food is actually very famous in Northeast, and surprisingly this is available in Mysore. Guess what? Yes, you're correct.
It's momos.
We have some guys who are coming all the way from Darjeeling and making some delicious momos in Mysore. And they have a different varieties of momos also. So let's go and try the different varieties of momos. Ciao!
Few guys from Darjeeling came all the way and are running a successful business of this steam-filled dumpling here in Mysore at Kalidasa Road, Vijayanagar, opposite to Liquor Garage. The name of this place is Hill Special Momos. Momos are mainly famous in northeastern region of India. And thanks to this wonderful people of Northeast who introduced this mouth-watering cuisine to entire India. This is one famous steam-filled dumpling which you can get all over India.
तो दाजु कहाँबाट हो तपाईँ?
म दार्जिलिङबाट हो त।
दार्जिलिङ कति टाइम भयो यहाँ आएको?
मैसुर आएको यस्तो 4 साल भयो।
4 साल र यो दुकान खोलेको?
दोकान खोलेको नि यहाँ मैसुर आएर 4 सालै भयो।
4 साल भयो है।
They serve different kind of momos, starting from steam momos, tandoori momos, Szechuan momos, and fried momos.
So let's give a try of this momos. This is a fried momos which we have taken. Yum it is. We are going to our next destination. That's a dosa point. It's not only my favorite, you know, it's also every Mysorean's favorite. And then you actually don't get a normal kind of a dosa there. It's very different dosa. It's called Mailari dosa. Okay, chalo, let's go there and try how is this dosa.
South India is famous for its dosas. Most of the people who visit southern India definitely would have tried dosa. I know it's pretty common and we get it everywhere. But this place has some unique taste of dosa. And people tend to travel all the way from Bangalore to try out this dosa joint. Mailari dosa, it's in Nazarbad main road near to the Nazarbad police station. There are many other places which later started with the same name. But the one that started and brought the best taste of dosa to us is the only one and it has no other branches. Mailari dosa has the history of 80 years and serves amazing dosas till date. Normally dosas are served with aloo palya, but here in Mailari, they serve with a vegetable palya and coconut chutney. This makes the dosa even more tastier and delicious to eat. Let's hop on to the next food destination, which has been in the city from last 25 years. And this place is famous for dry gobi. You may have all tried the Chinese recipes named Gobi Manchurian, Gobi 65, but this place serves some special gobi altogether. This place opens by 6 p.m. and it is located in Devraj Mohalla, Krishna Vilasa Road. As you can see, they mix the gobi with some secret masala and then it goes to the oil and get fried till it's crisp. The dish is served with some coriander chutney and the taste is amazing. This place just sells one item and it is one of the most crowded places in the city. Now it has become so famous that people come from all over the city to savor the taste of this delicacy. The shop is named as Dry Gobi and you can easily find it on the Google as Usman Dry Gobi.
We have been trying all the chaats, momos and then gobi, like all the different kind of spicy foods, right? So now it's time to try some sweets. So this is the place that you have to come when you are in Mysore. This is a place which is called Mahalakshmi, which like you can get all the different kind of sweets here. So let's go and try the sweets. Let's go check it out. subscribe to my channel for more travel and food related videos, and then like the video.